Caste discrimination, Gandhi and Ambedkar. Let us see what are the question asked. Question is asked every year. We'll find out kind of repetitive questions that have been asked. Repetitive in the sense the same kind of questions will be asked again and again, again and again. और मुश्किल से मुश्किल 2 से 3 पेज का नोट्स है इसका. 10 marker is also asked, 15 marker is asked, or a 20 marker is asked. They try to trick you. अंबेडकर का व्यू देके गांधी जी का व्यू उसके ऊपर गांधी जी का ओपिनियन पूछ लेते हैं और गांधी का व्यू देके डॉक्टर अंबेडकर का व्यू पूछ लेते हैं. दैट इज द ओनली ट्रिक दैट दे प्ले इन दिस बाय गिविंग देयर स्टेटमेंट और कैमोफ्लाजिंग देयर स्टेटमेंट. इसके अलावा और कोई ट्रिक भी नहीं है इसमें. So critically analyze the social and political significance of Ambedkar's notion of annihilation of caste. Critically you have to analyze, so you have to tell what is his notion of annihilation of caste and critically analyze. Then you will also write Gandhiji's view and a conclusion. Evaluate Gandhiji's views on eradication of caste system. Here you will write only Gandhiji's views and the concerns or challenges. ने किया था कि some of Gandhiji's own views may stand in way of emancipation of members of the scheduled caste. For example, Gandhiji did not believe in urbanization, industrialization, technology, etc. The views of Dr. Ambedkar regarding caste discrimination in Indian society. What are the measures suggested by him for its elimination? तो यहाँ गांधी जी का पूछ लिया, यहाँ पर डॉक्टर अंबेडकर का व्यू पूछ लिया कि what is the view regarding caste discrimination. So we have discussed a paragraph that he considers caste discrimination as the gravest form of inequality or injustice in India. It is seen in untouchability. Untouchability is based on the caste-based discrimination. Caste-based discrimination is Brahminical order, and the Brahminical order is subscribing to the authority or political power. What are the measures suggested? Remember 5 steps of Dr. Ambedkar. How many of you remember the 5 steps? State and examine Dr. Ambedkar's contribution towards social changes in independent India. क्योंकि ये philosophy paper 2 में पूछा गया है. So basically you will be asking about, you will be writing about Dr. Ambedkar's view on caste or annihilation of caste. I mean Gandhian concept of social development. Now this I believe is wrongly put in this. आपका एक और topic है development and social progress. It is a separate topic. This question is from that topic, not so much from Gandhi versus Dr. Ambedkar on caste. Okay, there is a separate topic in your syllabus. In whether there is any difference between the views of Mahatma Gandhi and Baba Sahib Ambedkar on the philosophical foundations of secular democracy. Both of them will be saying that, or Dr. Ambedkar will be saying that political democracy is incomplete without social democracy, and they will discuss about caste based discrimination on that. तो मतलब घुमा फिरा के ये देखिए कैमोफ्लाज कर दिया इन्होंने कि आप समझ ही ना पाए कि भाई ये क्या लिखना है. फिलोसॉफिकल फाउंडेशंस ऑफ सेक्युलर डेमोक्रेसी. सो the foundations are political democracy, social democracy, economic democracy, and Dr. Ambedkar says political democracy has no meaning without social democracy. Okay, so अब उसके बाद फिर आप अपने कंटेंट में इसको जोड़ लेंगे. It is said that traditional hold of caste-based groups on Indian social behavior has survived all attempts to build alternate identities. Discuss in light of Mahatma Gandhi. Now here basically it is, पहला पार्ट तो ऐसा लग रहा है कि ये कहां से आ गया, ये तो सोसाइटी का क्वेश्चन आ गया ऑफ GS1. But here we will be writing what is Mahatma Gandhi's view on caste. Why caste has survived, what is the importance of caste, and what are the ways that he suggests for reformation of caste. Is caste discrimination a result of superiority complex of a privileged class of society or religious rituals? Discuss with reference to the views propounded by Dr. Ambedkar. So what is caste discrimination? That part again, this may even come as a GS2 topic. In GS2 last time we had discussed, in before reservation topic we had discussed caste based discrimination. You may use some of the content from there, but you have to actually write डॉक्टर अंबेडकर्स व्यू ऑन कास्ट फ्रॉम योर सोशल पॉलिटिकल फिलोसफी, जो भी हमने फर्स्ट पैराग्राफ लिखा है, वेयर ही एनालाइजेस कास्ट सिस्टम इन इंडिया. हाउ डिड डॉक्टर अंबेडकर एनालाइज द कास्ट सिस्टम फ्रॉम द हिस्टोरिकल एंड सोशल पर्सपेक्टिव. अगेन एक जो पैराग्राफ हमने लिखा है ऑन कास्ट सिस्टम, that is all that is required in all these kinds of questions which is asked on Dr. Ambedkar's analysis of the caste system. Evaluate Ambedkar's critique of caste system. So you will first criticize the caste system from Ambedkar's perspective and then write the counter. And counter obviously will not be your view. It will be Gandhiji's view. You are not big enough to counter Dr. Ambedkar. Man must grow materially as well as spiritually. Evaluate this statement. This is actually a statement given by Gandhiji, but they have clubbed it with Dr. Ambedkar. If caste discrimination has continuity and hierarchy, which principle of justice can dissolve? अब ये question number 12 is an interesting question. It is linking caste discrimination with justice theory. और theories of justice में आपने क्या पढ़ा है? You have studied about the traditional theories. Plato, Aristotle, उससे तो solve होगा नहीं. Then you have studied about libertarian theories. Positive liberty में आ गए Rawls. नेगेटिव लिबर्टी में आ गए हायक, नॉजिक एक्सेट्रा. अगेन हायक, नॉजिक एक्सेट्रा इनसे तो होगा नहीं. ये तो लोग कह रहे हैं कि अगर कोई ट्रेन लेट है तो उसको लेट ही रखा जाए. और दे आर सेइंग दैट इफ समबडी हैज if you cannot swim like a whale and fly like an eagle, it does not mean that you don't have equality. तो हम रॉल्स से तो एक बार को फिर भी सोच सकते हैं और बच जाता है बाकी अमर्त्य सेन. लेकिन यहीं पर हमको हिंट मिल जाता है कि हियर instead of principle of justice topic, we will be referring to Gandhi versus Gandhi's theory and Dr. Ambedkar's theory. So it is kind of a misdirect. It is pushing you to venture into the justice theory, but बहुत ज्यादा आपको वहां पे मदद नहीं मिलेगी. Justice as fairness भी अगर हम इसमें लगाना चाहें तो कोई व्यक्ति अगर अपना सोशल स्टेटस ही नहीं जानता है, then he or she will not be able to analyze this problem. This problem has a historical and social context. तो अमर रॉल्स का जो नेगोशिएटर है, फ्रॉम द व्हील ऑफ इग्नोरेंस ही विल नॉट बी एबल टू सॉल्व द प्रॉब्लम ऑफ डिस्क्रिमिनेशन. यही बात तो अमर्त्य सेन कह रहे हैं कि आपका तो एक यूनिवर्सल थ्योरी है, जबकि हमको तो जस्टिस सॉल्व करना है एट पर्टिकुलर इंस्टेंसेस. So if at all there is Amartya Sen's capability theory, but which has its own problems. So instead of venturing into justice के theories, we will write Gandhi and Ambedkar. हम mention कर देंगे passive by में capability approach of Rawls, justice as fairness and capability approach. Okay. What are the basic differences between Gandhi जी and Ambedkar regarding caste? जो हमने last में एक table बनाया था दोनों के views में कि कास्ट पे क्या व्यू है, रिलीजन पे क्या व्यू है, व्हाट डू दे रेफर पीपल एज, ये हरिजन कह रहे हैं, ये अनटचेबल कह रहे हैं, व्हाट इज द मेथड बीइंग सजेस्टेड. ये गांधी जी कह रहे हैं कि अनटचेबिलिटी को हटाया जाए, वेयर एज डॉक्टर अंबेडकर इज सेइंग एनहाइलेशन ऑफ कास्ट. What were Gandhiji's views on Varna and Jati? Critically discuss Ambedkar's disagreement with Gandhi's treatment of Varna. So Gandhiji will be appreciative. He will say that it is a very useful or a very noble experiment for division of work in society. गांधी जी कहेंगे कि भाई इकोनॉमिक स्किल को इनहेरिट करने का बहुत अच्छा तरीका है, तो अगर हम इसको रिफॉर्म कर पाए तो इट विल बी वेल एंड गुड. देन Dr. Ambedkar's criticism, whatever is in the notes, that part you will write. Can the conception of rights of citizen be sustained in a society characterized by caste discrimination? Discuss. So basically here you will write Dr. Ambedkar's view. But here I believe again, this question is more about the rights and duties, citizen and state chapter. राइट्स ड्यूटीज एंड अकाउंटेबिलिटी सिटीजन एंड स्टेट, वहां का पार्ट भी हमको थोड़ा सा लिखना है. इट इज नॉट primarily a caste discrimination topic, but we can definitely mention that part. Okay. Then caste is not a sin, but caste discrimination is. As a concerned citizen, critically comment on this statement. Again, this is Gandhi ji's statement. So you have to comment. So you will defend from Gandhi ji's position, and then you will write the counter. That is, some of Gandhi ji's views may come in as a hindrance. That is why Dr. Ambedkar will be going for annihilation of caste. Discuss the impact of caste discrimination, affirmative or otherwise, on the harmony of society as a whole. Impact of caste discrimination, affirmative or otherwise, on the harmony of society as a whole. Again, Dr. Ambedkar's view on, because he will say that a Hindu's loyalty is towards its caste, his values are towards his caste, his ethics is towards his caste, his economy is towards his caste, so on and so forth. Okay. So what do you understand by Sarvodaya? Consider this connection. Again, this is from social development topic, not the discrimination topic. This is a separate topic. Development and social progress. लास्ट के 3-4 जो सवाल लिखे हैं वो एक्चुअली में गांधी जी के ऊपर क्वेश्चंस हैं, कमिंग फ्रॉम वेरियस पार्ट्स इन योर पेपर 2. जैसे महात्मा गांधी ऑन सर्वधर्म संभाव, दिस इज एक्चुअली अ सेकुलरिज्म क्वेश्चन. सेकुलरिज्म में लास्ट में लिखेंगे व्हाट इज हिज व्यू ऑन सर्वधर्म संभाव. Then politics benefit of religion is absolute dirt even to be shunned. महात्मा गांधी, अगेन ये कास्ट का क्वेश्चन नहीं है, एक टॉपिक है आपके में अनार्किज्म, which गांधी जी supports in a way. He supports anarchism from the sense that political institutions or state is based on coercion of the individual. Gandhi ji does not support this. So this is mainly from that topic. It is not a caste discrimination topic. तो लास्ट के 3 सवाल तो जो हैं they are from a separate topic. Remaining में it is primarily asking either Gandhi ji's view, यानी 3 ही तरह के सवाल पूछे गए हैं. गांधी जी का व्यू, डॉक्टर अंबेडकर व्यू, एंड कंपेयर एंड कमेंट. यही 3 सवाल हैं जिसको कि हमको प्रिपेयर करना है, एंड देयर इज जस्ट 2 to 3 pages of the notes, nothing more, nothing less. Okay, so just let us revise the notes once very quickly, and so that you can start writing the first question.